Hey Queen!
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to this week's new video. I know I haven't made a video in a while. I'm not even gonna apologize for it anymore because it's just gonna be a thing that happens. I'm so infrequent with this. But this week we have a super cool look for you. I will be doing a graphic eye moment cut crease thing that's a lot of fun. Not really good with these descriptions, as you can tell. But we're just gonna get right into it. I'm gonna go ahead and glue my eyebrows down off camera, so if you want to see how I achieved the look that you probably saw in the thumbnail, then make sure you guys pull up a chair, grab some food, get your makeup out, maybe get a little cocktail, I don't know. No, it is not 11 a.m. on a Thursday morning. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. We're back. I look like an egg. I've glued down my brows and gone ahead and shaved. Usually I do my base first, but today we're going to be doing something a little different. I am going to actually be doing eyebrows first, and that is because I'm doing white eyebrows and they're a little trickier than regular eyebrows. So, like I've said, I've gone ahead and just glued my brows down. I'm just gonna go in with some white from this knockoff cheap palette I got. Y'all have seen it before. And I am just gonna go ahead and draw my usual brow shape. Maybe a little lower than usual, but you know, we'll do it. Now that we have the basic shape, I'm just going to go in and set the brows with a translucent powder before I start cleaning them up. And to clean up the brows today, I'm actually going to be going in with a very dark cream contour, which I would usually do for like contour. Now that we have the browns covered out, I am just going to go ahead with my foundation shade and just start buffing that into the brown just to kind of blend that all together so the white really pops. Now that we have the brows all sorted and you look a little crazy, I'm just going to go ahead and drink some more because that was a very stressful process.
Few moments later. 346 minutes later.
Much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new.
I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my base off camera and then we will return and be ready for eyes. Alright, we're back and this has just been a whole journey. I ended up doing a whole eye look and I hated it. So I had to take it all off, redo my face to the point where it was before, but now we are back. We have a different vision in mind. Let's just hope this works out this time. So we're gonna go ahead with the eyes, and for eyes, like I said in the intro, I really wanted to do a graphic liner kind of a moment. And I was scrolling through some pictures of graphic eyeliner, and I was really inspired by eyeliner that Gottmik did on Alaska for a magazine cover. So I think I'm gonna go something kind of based off that. I don't know, we'll see where it heads. But yeah, I'm just gonna be using my NYX That's the Point eyeliner, and I'm gonna start sketching out my graphic liner. I'm actually not gonna be putting on any eyeshadow. I did put foundation on my eyes just to kind of even out the tone. But let's see how this turns out. I don't know. I could like it. I could hate it. Who knows? Let's hope it turns out good. So I'm basically just going to carve out the crease and make it very pointed at the end, very much cat eye to begin with. And then we will move on from there. So that's the basic shape I've come up with. We're going to try and replicate it on the other eye, and we'll pray to God it works. we have finished the graphic liner part of the eye. I think I'm gonna add a wing just to kind of connect them, and I'm gonna connect the wing to my eye, to the liner, and I hope I don't hate it. And if I do, kill me. So this is the finished eye look that I have gone through. Obviously, I'm gonna go ahead and put on mascara and lashes, but I'm gonna go ahead and match the other side, put on some lashes and some mascara, and I will be right back to finish off the look. Okay, so we are back. The eyes are done. I put on my lashes, my Lily lashes in the style Miami.
Oh, Lord. Again. Again. Nothing new, nothing changed, same.
And we're just gonna finish up the look really quick. So for blush today, I'm gonna be going in with Dainty by MAC. And you guys know I love like a huge, huge fucking blush moment. But I am just going to be really light with this because I really want the focus here to be on the eyes and not anything else. So I'm just putting on a small touch of blush, a little bit on the nose. For highlighter today, I'm going to be using Starlight by Anastasia Beverly Hills on an Anastasia brush. It's one of my favorites. I'm also going to stack on top of that one of my favorites. This is the Mary Luminizer by... Who even makes this? This is the Mary Luminizer by The Balm Cosmetics. I absolutely love this. I don't even know if they still make this, but oh, it is so pretty. For lips today, I'm gonna do a really simple glossy nude lip. I have very much been into lip gloss lately, and it's just been lovely. For lip liner, I'm gonna start off, as I usually do, with Strip Down by MAC. Again, y'all know it's my favorite. I love her, I live her, but I don't laugh at her.
Start.
And then for lipstick, I'm going in with Kat Von D. This is in the shade Agatha. It's a very pretty nude lipstick. And then, of course, for gloss today, I'm going in with my Revolution Makeup Clear Gloss in the shade Zero. Again, this is from the Nightmare Before Christmas collection. I love this gloss so much. And it smells so good. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished makeup look. I really love how this turned out, personally. I'm gonna go throw on my hair and my outfit on off camera, and I will be right back for the finished look. See you guys in a second.
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done.
Alright, we are back, and this is the finished makeup look with the little wet wig, a little businesswoman moment. I absolutely love how this turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Leave a comment on what you guys want to see me do next. And do not forget to follow all my social media. I will leave it down in the description below. I even put nails on for this, so there's no neat reason not to subscribe. I will see you guys hopefully soon. I'm hoping to continue uploading weekly. If I don't, well then, it is what it is. Thank you guys for coming. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did doing this look. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, divas.